Hey crochet lovers, welcome to AP's Art. In today's tutorial, we will going to learn this super easy crochet pattern which I've made in 3-ply cotton yarn, and this looks very elegant and very beautiful. This is a square pattern which is only with single and double crochet stitches and the basic chain stitches. So this pattern is quite useful while you make blanket, or you make shawls, or even you can make broad and make a table runner with this. You can use this pattern in your handbags as well. So multiple way you can use this pattern. Let's go ahead and start making this easy peasy, super easy crochet pattern. Alright, so for this project I have taken crochet hook of size 1.90 mm and a 3-ply cotton yarn which is of brand Anchor, and the color that I've chosen this day is dark cream color. So let's start with a foundation chain of 30 plus 1, or you can take multiple of 2 plus one double crochet, so 3 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30, and I'll make 3 more chains for 1 double crochet. 1 2 and 3. Now in the third chain from the hook I'll start making double crochets. Sorry, in the fourth chain from the hook I'll start making double crochets. 3 4. So I'll complete this all over till here, and I'll see you then. Okay, so here I've completed my basic row of 1 double crochet, and in this at the place of 1 double crochet you can also make single crochets, up to you. So for me, before I start with any of the pattern, I make sure that I make one base round so that the pattern go very smoothly. It doesn't get out from any of the sides. It is even from both the sides. Now for row 1, I'll not count this as row 1 because this is my basic foundation row, or the base row. Now I'll turn my work and make chain 2 first for the 1 single crochet, and chain 3 for 1 double crochet. So 1 2 and 3. In the third chain from the hook I'll make 2 double crochets like this. So in total I've made 5 chains at the start, and in the third chain I've made 2 double crochets. So this full count is 3 double crochet fan. Now one more time I'll make 1 2 and 3 chains, and here in this loop, or at the end of the third chain where we have loop, here I'll make 2 double crochet in this loop. 1 and 2. So this is one fan of 3 double crochet, and this is another fan or petal. And now directly what I'm going to do is I'll skip 5 stitches or 5 double crochet from the base round, not this one, because this is already, we have made 2 chains in this, so we will not count the very first stitch. I'll count 1 2 3 4 5, and in the 6th one I'll make a single crochet like this. Again 1 2 and 3 chains, and here in the loop of the third chain from the hook I'll make 2 double crochet. 1 and 2. This will count as one fan. Again 1 2 and 3 chains, and here in this loop I'll make 2 double crochets. 1 and So I have two fans or two petals here. Now I'll skip 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the sixth one I'll make a single crochet like this. So basically it is becoming an M on this. If you see the shape, it is becoming an M on in the first round. 1, 2, and 3 chains at the start, and then making 2 double crochet in this loop. 1 and 2. 1, 2, and 3 chains up. In this loop I'll make 2 more double crochets, 1 and 2, and now skipping 5 stitches or 5 double crochet from the base round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the sixth one I've made a single crochet. So likewise I'll continue this round. I think 2 more petals or 2 more pattern will come, and I'll see you at the end of the round to show you what we have to do next. Okay, so here I've made the last 2 petals, and in the third chain stitch which we have made at the start, which counted as 1 double crochet, I'll make my single crochet here like this. So my first round with the base round is completed. Let's start with the second round. For the second round, I'll make 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, and 4, which will count as treble, 1 treble crochet. Because here at the end of the round, we will make a treble in this stitch, in the second chain stitch which we have made at the start of the first round. So I have made 4 chains, and now I'll turn my work. Now on the top of every fan here, on the top of every fan where it comes the third 3 chain stitch, the third chain stitch, I'll make 3 double crochet here on the top of every fan. 1, 2, and 3. Without taking any of the stitches in between, on the top of the second, I'll make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Here on the third chain stitch or on the top of the fan, 3 double crochets, 2 and 3. So basically this round is all about 3 double crochets on every third chain stitch or on the top of every fan. On the top of every single fan we will make 3 double crochets, and I'll complete till here, and I'll see you at the end of the round to tell you what we have to do next. Let's do this last one together. And on the top of the petal or on the third chain stitch, I'm making 3 double crochets. Now what we have to do is, at the start of this round we have made 4 chain stitch which counted as 1 treble. Now we will make 1 treble at the end of the round on the second chain which we have made at the start of the first round here, so that it would balance from, it will look even from both the sides, as you can see. Now we will repeat first round, not the base one, the first round, the fans one. So again I'll make turning chain 2, or all together I'll turn my work and make chain 5, 1, 2, which will count as the base to 1 single crochet, and 1, 2, and 3 to start for the fan. Now in the third chain I'll make 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. Again 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3, and here on the third chain or in this last loop after third chain I'll make 2 double crochets to make another fan or another petal. Again, now here what I will do is, we have stitches here, or we can count this after 3 double crochet fan from the second round. this 1 and 2, after every 2 fans we will make a single crochet here, like this. Again, I'll make 1, 2 and 3 chains. In this loop I'll make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, 3 more chains up for another fan or petal, and making 2 double crochet in the last chain stitch or the loop. And now skipping 2 fans from the first round, second round, we will make a single crochet like this. So we'll keep repeating this first and second round, first and second round. At the end of this round, what I will going to make is a single crochet on the fourth chain stitch which we have made at the start of second round, turning our work with 4 chains because we have to make one treble at the end of the round. So keep repeating round 1, round 2, and I'll see you after making a desired length of my pattern, and you also work along with me. I'll see you after making few of the rows. Alright, so here I've completed my pattern. I have completed about 10 to 11 rows, and after completing this, my pattern looks like this. So this is a very easy peasy pattern. Go ahead and try to make one, and this you can use in your blankets or in your handbags, in your shawls, or in your cowl as well. So keep making this, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, please keep liking, sharing and subscribing my channel, and do let me know in the comment how you like it. Thank you.